Welcome to Kali Linux, one of the most powerful penetration testing operating systems. If you've just installed Kali Linux, then you're on the right path to mastering ethical hacking and cybersecurity. But one thing also before you dive in, there are a few essential steps to get everything running smoothly. Let's walk through them. The very first thing you should do after installing Kali is updating the system. This ensures you're running the latest version of all tools and patches. So first open the terminal and type sudo apt update. Updating is crucial as it not only keeps your system secure but also fixes bugs and adds new features. Then type sudo apt upgrade -y. Now you can do one thing also. If you are hungry, then first you make food, then you eat that because it's taken so long time dependent on your system. Python is one of the most popular programming languages, and it's essential for scripting and automation in cybersecurity. Now, to install Python 3, simply type the command sudo apt install Python 3 and press enter. Type apt install Python 3 -pip. Next, it's a good practice to create a non-root user. Running as root all the time can be risky. To add a new user, use this command, so type adducer and your username. Oh, sorry, it's required root user, so type sudo su, then give her password, then it's root. Don't worry, name, address, and contact info. It's optional, no need. Then type apt install that for the Git packages installed properly. Then type sudo apt install -ikali -linux -default. So friend, don't take rest. Then type sudo apt install OpenSSH -server. Then type sudo apt auto remove. If you need, then you can start the SSH service. Then install UFW, it's for firewall.